The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. 2022 CR 6940, State of Texas versus Bernardo Huerta. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Kathy Compton for Mr. Huerta.
And are you Mr. Huerta?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with the discovery. Mr. Huerta, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're going with the lesser included offense of robbery, and we are waiving the enhancement paragraph.
Any objection?
No.
Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Huerta, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $500 fine, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
I did, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, no contact with Abel Ramos or Rowley's at 955 South General McMullen in San Antonio, Texas 78237. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry, to the offense of robbery, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State any evidence
State offer states Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right?
Right out of the gate, this is Serious A second-degree felony in Texas means 2 to 20 years. That's not a slap on the wrist. Notice how methodical the judge is here. Every right explained, every document confirmed. This ISNT just paperwork. It's building a record so airtight that nothing unravels. Later question for you, though. You think most defendants truly understand what they're agreeing to in moments like this?
To jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments or review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We're asking to do so, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would just ask that the court follow our plea bargain agreement. My client's been in custody for a very long time. We've negotiated for a very long time, and I believe that this is in his best interest. He's recently a first-time grandfather, and I have seen a huge change in his demeanor, and just I think his outlook has changed very much. So I would ask just that you follow the plea bargain, Judge.
Okay. And what auto parts were you taking from O'Reilly's?
Some headlights.
And how much are headlights?
They were like, I think they were $50 or something like that. I'm not too sure, Your Honor.
So, and how long have you been at the jail?
15 months, Your Honor.
So, you spent 15 months at the Bear County Jail, over $50.
I'm not proud to say, but yes, Your Honor.
So why didn't you just pay for the lights? And I'm sure if you would have just returned them, they probably would have said, okay, and moved on to something else. Why didn't you just return it?
They were no longer in my possession, Your Honor, when they found them. So it was really...
But why do people have to chase you down to give back their property? That's the number one thing that people are taught in school. Don't take what doesn't belong to you.
Yes.
And how old are you?
I'm 35 now, Your Honor.
So you should have known that.
Yes, Your Honor.
It shouldn't take a grandchild to make you realize that you shouldn't take what doesn't belong to you. And the tattoos you have, what are they about? And are they related to an organization?
No, Your Honor. No, man. I only got... While I was in prison, I got associated because of tattoos I got before I went to prison, Your Honor.
No, I understand. The reason why I ask sometimes about tattoos, I'm just interested in tattoos. I always want to know about people's life because that tells me some things and help me make conditions for you. But the other reason why I'm always interested in tattoos, because some tattoos are related to different organizations.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any employment prospects? What are you going to do when you're released?
Yes, ma'am. I have my own lawnmower service. I do lawns, and my sister, since that's not working out right now too well because I'm locked up, my sister has her own construction business, and she's waiting for me to get out to employ me.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
15 and 16, Your Honor.
15 and 16, and you have a grandchild?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is
My daughter, Your Honor.
The 16-year-old?
Here's where it gets interesting. 8 years, but suspended, that means probation instead of prosonif follows the rules, and look closely, the state is recommending community supervision, but the judge does not have to accept that. This is the calm before the storm. Do you think the judge will stick to the deal or dig deeper?
No, I'm sorry, she's 16 now, and he's 17.
So your daughter has a
baby.
child with the 17-year-old.
She's a 17-year-old.
All right, so your daughter is now 17 and not 16?
No, my daughter's 16,
Mm-hmm.
and she has the baby.
All right, and she has a child with a 17-year-old.
With another child her age, yes.
All right, how many grandchildren do you have?
Just one
Just one, and that's from the 16-year-old.
from the 16-year-old.
And is the grandchild living with you all? Or going
Yes,
to live?
he's in our house. But they have an adult that lives there with them
Okay.
at the time. Yes.
And who is the adult who lives with them? What
It's
is
my mother.
Okay. So your mother is a great grandmother.
Yes, John.
So she's taking care of her grandchildren and now a great
A
grandchild.
great grandchild. But only because of my absence, John. Yes.
Well, no, because
Well, yes.
Children know.
Yes, you're right. John.
and has she graduated from high school?
She's continuing still. Yeah, yes.
All right, I'm going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Probation will do gang supervision. There's to be no contact with any O'Reillys.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that leaves AutoZone and other places, but no contact with O'Reillys.
Yes, John.
There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. That can be waived if he completes parenting classes and probation, whichever parenting classes you think would work with him. So where are your children's? Where is their mom?
So another crazy story. She is actually back in the picture now and living there with them as well.
All right. So was Child Protective Services involved?
No, not for my kids.
All right. For her children?
No, we only have our children.
All right. Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Is there any drug issues with you?
No, you don't.
All right, we'll do regular UAs. Bill visits. One time per month. I'm sorry, one time every 3 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Are you mandating the classes or you saying it's based on
Oh, no, I'm mandating them.
nothing else?
Is there anything else you need from the court, sir?
Yes, John. I just wanted to clear something up for you because I think this is where you were kind of got the misinterpretation. I lost my children to the state and my mom adopted them.
Okay.
So that's
All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors.
that way you understand that that's what.
This is the moment the temperature changes. 15 months in jail, over $50 headlights the judge. ISNT just talking about money, she's talking about choices. This is where courtroom psychology kicks in. She's forcing him to confront the absurdity of the situation. Audience, be honest. Does the punishment already feel heavier? Does the backstory make you question everything?
Why I'm around.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors, and this is what I'm going to tell you about CPS cases, and your attorney can probably tell you this as well. I don't know what the legal paperwork says about her adoption,
Yes, ma'am.
but what I do know, if she adopted your children, which means that your rights were terminated and the mother's rights were terminated, I'm sure CPS is not expecting you all to act as babysitters or anything of that nature. You understand?
It's only, well, yes, ma'am. I understand what you mean.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
It sounds like you gave it all to me already, John.
Okay. All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, and I think you've been here before, so you know, communication is key. If there is an issue, let probation know. If you feel like probation is not addressing that issue, you can always come back to court and speak with me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2020 CR 4779, State of Texas versus Domingo Flores. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gabe Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Domingo Flores? Mr. Flores, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Domingo Flores who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 479 for the offense of assault of a public servant on May 5th, 2021 for a term of 6 years? Is that you? All right, you're going to have to make sure you speak up. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 18th day of May, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Domingo Flores, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And Judge, we waive and abandon the other violations alleged in the motion to revoke.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 7 years in prison?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is asking that you, after conferring with defense counsel on probation, the defendant is going to go to lifetime recovery for treatment. And we are going to take into consideration the possession of a controlled substance less than a gram. And we're going to do a judgment satisfied on the theft, the violation of condition number 1, Judge.
All right. And the theft, that's violation of condition number 1. What's the cause number? Okay. And I'll need the cause number for the case that you're taking in consideration.
Your Honor, if I may, the cause number is 709-0.
And there it is, that's the bombshell. If his mother adopted the children, that means parental rights were terminated. That's not temporary custody, that's permanent. Suddenly this isn't just about theft, it's about responsibility. Historian credibility did. He mentioned being a grandfather hoping for sympathy while leaving this out. That changes everything in the judge's mind.
And the other case cause number is 713-038.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Domingo, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Domingo Flores.
All right, Mr. Flores, why are you not being successful on probation?
I have got a report.
I'm sorry,
I've got a report.
what did you say?
I've got a report.
Okay. So is there mental capacity issues, probation? How far did you go in school?
Night.
All right, why did you drop out of school?
I had got in trouble in school, and I was supposed to go to alternative school, but I didn't have rights to go. My mom
All right, your mom?
took me out because we didn't have transportation for me to be going to.
All right, so why are you stealing? And what did you take?
It was just a flashlight. And
Okay, why are you taking a flashlight?
I was riding a bike, and it was night, and I needed a light because I didn't want to pull over, but I know I shouldn't, and I regret doing that.
Did you not have the money for the flashlight?
Yeah.
Your answer to, I don't have money for something, your answer should not be to steal. I've walked at night plenty of times when I was growing up. So if you don't do better, you're going to end up potentially in prison for 7 years. Would you prefer that? I can continue, or either I can send you to prison for 3 years. Which would you prefer? All right. Is Lifetime Recovery going to accept him?
Yes, Your Honor, we just called to make sure.
All right, the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include MRT and lifetime recovery inpatient. And he's to be released to lifetime only. Taking consideration 713-038. And there's to be a JSAT in 709-024. Is there anything else from either side?
Judge, I think that the TIC number is NM 713068.
Ah. All right, I probably got my numbers mixed up. So take into consideration NIMAG number 713068. All right, is there anything else from either side?
Oh, Your Honor.
There you are.
All right, Mr. Flores, you're going to have to start making better decisions, because at some point, if you continue on this vein, you could potentially end up going to prison for 7 years. If you need a flashlight and you don't, we're off the record. If you need a flashlight and you don't have a flashlight and you desperately need one and you can't afford one, then you can't go out at night. That's how you solve that problem. But you cannot take things that do not belong to you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.